Changing your Gmail password is simple and an important step to keep your account secure. Start by logging into your Gmail account on a web browser or the Gmail app. Once logged in, go to your Google account settings by clicking on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. In the settings, find the Security tab. Scroll down to the Signing in to Google section, where you'll see an option labeled Password. Click on it, and Google will ask you to enter your current password to verify your identity. Once verified, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to increase security. Avoid using easily guessable information, like common words or sequential numbers. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Once saved, your Gmail password will be updated across all Google services. Be sure to update the password on any other devices or apps where your Gmail is used, as they may require the new password for continued access. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in the Security settings.